Exceptional hotel impeccable. Bon accueil arrivé en fin de journée, reparti le lendemain matin, satisfait de mon hébergement. Merci à Christelle pour son travail relatif à la chambre, prêté à mon arrivée. Premiere Classe Vannes, a budget-friendly stay in Vannes. Discover affordable comfort and convenience at Premiere Classe Vannes, a one-star hotel located in the charming city of Vannes, France. With its prime location and excellent amenities, this budget-friendly hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Featuring a total of 70 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Vannes offers a comfortable and relaxing stay for its guests. Each room is thoughtfully designed to provide a cozy ambience, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a long day of exploring the city. Whether you're traveling alone or with a companion, you'll find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. Check-in at Premiere Classe Vannes begins at 5 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and start your vacation. The friendly and accommodating staff will be ready to assist you upon your arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. Checkout is until 11 a.m., giving you enough time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast and pack your belongings before bidding farewell to this charming hotel. Please note that Premiere Classe Vannes has a child policy in place. While children are welcome, they may not stay free of charge. Additional charges may apply, so it's best to contact the hotel directly for more information. Rest assured, the hotel staff will go above and beyond to make your little ones feel comfortable and well taken care of during your stay. With its affordable rates, convenient location, and comfortable rooms, Premiere Classe Vannes is the ideal choice for travelers seeking a budget-friendly accommodation in Vannes. Book your stay today and experience a delightful and memorable stay in this charming city. Unwind and relax at Premiere Classe Vannes. Entertainment facilities at Premiere Classe Vannes. Guests can find a range of entertainment facilities designed to ensure a memorable and enjoyable stay. The hotel boasts a beautiful garden where guests can unwind and soak up the tranquil ambience. Whether it's enjoying a morning coffee or reading a book in the afternoon sun, the garden provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.